watch out TikTok, because Roblox just leveled up. Roblox isn't just a game anymore, it's now going for full-blown social media domination, and we're here for it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. At its annual Roblox Developers Conference, the gaming giant unveiled Roblox Moments, a brand new TikTok-style vertical video app designed specifically for Roblox players to capture, edit, and share their most viral-worthy in-game moments. Just imagine, your friend gets yeeted off to a tower, and now you've got 30 seconds to turn it into a meme. Launching in beta for users 13 and up, the app will let creators trim gameplay clips, add music, and write captions, just like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. But here, it's all Roblox all the time. No dancing influencers, no political rants, no AI ads, just pure fun. And yes, they're rolling out APIs, so developers can integrate this feature directly into their games. It's a bold move, but not that shocking either, as Roblox-related content already has over 1 trillion views on YouTube. And now, Roblox wants to cash in directly. But video wasn't the only news. The platform also dropped some mind-blowing AI tools as well. Creators will soon be able to describe an object, say a futuristic hover car with spikes, and Roblox's AI will generate a fully interactive version of it, ready to drive in-game. They're also launching real-time voice translation for English, Spanish, French, and German, along with text-to-speech and speech-to-text APIs for smarter gameplays. With video feeds, AI tools, and real-time voice magic, Roblox isn't just upgrading, it's transforming into the social sandbox of the future. What do you think about this upgrade? Comment down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.